Our eastern bluebird season has begun here on Loretta Hill. We're excited to bring y'all to watch in our new birdhouse and a bluebird house. A camera installed, and we purchased it over in Oklahoma from a real nice gentleman. And we're going to watch them build and have their nest. We recorded last year and we've done pretty good with it, but this new box and new camera should be exciting. We hope that you guys are going to enjoy it. We hope to make several videos and recording as they build their nest. The eastern bluebird is real common here in Tennessee. We're located in western Tennessee, and the bluebirds are just beginning to come back and be starting their nest building, and we're going to watch them as they build and lay eggs and hatch out. Usually they'll have maybe two to three nests full of eggs, and they'll raise two to three hatches, or what you call hatches, a year. Hopefully we'll see two, maybe three hatches out of them. But that in the same nest here. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Y'all enjoy it. Just leave a comment below if you like it and what you like to see. Thanks for watching and being part of our channel. Please watch to the end of this video, and I think you'll see as they continue to build. You're just beginning to place straw in the nest and building, and just watch. I think there's about 2 to 3 more minutes or 3 minutes total of the videos. We're just beginning to start making voiceovers, so just be patient with me, and then we're going to hopefully end up making some good videos for you guys, and to see in the future. Life here on Loretta Hill has been pretty fun, and we're looking forward to spring. Looking forward to a good season in spring and summer with our bluebirds and different things. Keep yourself informed. Watch Life on Loretta Hill on Facebook. Life